Okay, in this video I want to show you how I built this portable suitcase. Everything is running on batteries, so you only have to open the suitcase, connect everything, and you are ready to play music anywhere. So what's this? You have here an Elektron Digitakt, a Novation Circuit. Both of them are connected through USB to synchronize MIDI clock and everything. This is a small passive mixer I built myself. This is a Bluetooth battery power speaker that also has an output cable, so you don't need to use Bluetooth. You can directly connect it to the audio source. This is an iPad Air that is running AUM to send the audio from this USB audio interface to the headphones out, and it's also running a MIDI flow application in which you select which is your input MIDI device and the output. In this case, the Digitakt is sending the clock to the circuit. So, well, how is everything connected? Okay, so this is a passive mixer I built. These are the inputs. This is the main output that is connected to the Behringer UCA 222. And well, this is an extra feature I implemented in the mixer, in which you can select if the input is going to the mix or bypassing the mixer and sending this to individual outputs in case you want to connect it elsewhere. So the circuit is connected to the mixer. The Digitakt is here. The Digitakt is also connected to the mixer, and I have a spare cable in case I want to connect anything else. So what else? This cable is the USB cable. In this case, it's connected inside here to a USB hub, in which it also connects the USB of the circuit and the USB of the Digitakt. And everything from the USB hub is connected through this interface to the iPad. So the iPad can see both the Digitakt, the circuit, and the USB audio interface. So how you configure this in AUM, the application? When you connect this hub, the audio interface appears here as an input. If you want a stereo signal, you have to separate left and right into two channels. And if you unplug the headphones, the audio will be sent automatically back to the USB interface. But in the moment you connect something here, the audio is sent through the headphones. And about MIDI, well, as I showed you, you have the Digitakt sending the clock to the circuit. So what else? I will show you, I will remove everything so you see what's inside. So let me unplug everything. Okay. So this is a V10 speaker, a really nice speaker, because it has a really clean sound and powerful sound for the size it has. It's really worth the money. I think it's what it was, 50 euros or 60 euro in Amazon, and it's a really good speaker. I recommend it. The speakers are laid here. This is a when you remove this is a suitcase with configurable foam. You have a small squares that you can tear apart, and once you remove it, you remove the size of the Digitakt and the circuit. You have a lot of foam to build your parts. For example, I built these squares, glued them together, so you have a spare foam to fit everything. Well, in my case, what I do is I put the iPad downside here, and then I put this here. This goes like this. So you are ready to close. Well, what I have here is this piece of foam. It's cut so you have size for the cables. In this case, it's the USB and the power. This is where the speakers are laying down. And this is the Oki power bank, 20,000 milliamp. Well, I don't know how to say that in English. Anyway, to power the Digitakt, you need 12 volts. So I bought this USB 5 to 12 volts adapter. Let me remove the Digitakt. And the circuit. I added extra foam here to raise the level of the circuit to be the same height of the Digitakt. So what you have here, more foam. So what do we have here? This is the USB hub. it has connected the audio interface. I wish it had a shorter cable, but you have to fit a lot of cable in this small size. So that's why I prefer to build my own cables, make them really short, so you don't have to do a lot of circles of cables. This is the USB for the circuit and the USB for the Digitakt. So everything is connected to the USB hub, and this one goes to the iPad. To fit all this mess of cables, I had to remove the base foam of the suitcase, and also make a hole here, so you can fit the battery, the power bank inside, and also this adapter cable. And finally, the mixer. So yeah, all this mess of cables and devices and foam is fitting nicely inside this suitcase. So all you have to do when you want to power everything, you just this is more or less like this. You have to remove the speakers, press the button to power the power bank, switch on the Digitakt, switch on the circuit. In this case, circuit is running on AA batteries, but I want to buy an extra adapter cable and fit it here, so I can power both the Digitakt and the circuit with the same power bank. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.